guys, welcome back to another video. Time to make ourselves a Pokemon, not a real life one. Okay, you need some Pokemon cards so you would know what Pokemon you want. You can pick the round one or the box one. You can pick anything you want. First, we need paper, a pencil, and two colorful pencils. I have two blacks and a rubber eraser. First, make the outline. This doesn't include glue or other else. You need to focus on building the Pokemon. Now you need to do the round part. It doesn't have to be a circle. And then you need to make a round again. But if you have a mistake, please stay calm. You need to use your eraser. Erase it so you have nothing to worry about. Okay, we're making Gasterling, but out of the Pokemon series. So if you guys never play Pokemon like me, actually play Pokemon, but I think Gasterling has sleep power into him. So we're making another Gasterling, but out of the Pokemon series. Then when you guys finish the outline, you can make the Gasterling face, but add other Pokemon. So put the color in. Of course, Gasterling is black, so you should use black. But the purple, you don't need it. You just need the purple for the two claws. The two claws are a mix of Pokemons. Now, you need to make it outlined. After you make it, you need to just color it in. Okay guys, after you make the Gasterling, time to make the purple. You need to find purple in your purple. If you don't have purple, you can just buy a purple coloring pencil. If you don't have it, well, you need to use blue instead, because I like blue, guys. You need to color it blue. See? After you color it blue, you do not see it's a very good Pokemon. I don't.
Yeah.
Okay guys, this is the final picture. If you guys have a pen, just use the pen for the outline. My outline is bad, but if you guys have good drawing skills, comment down below and join my team on Monster Legends. Bye.